Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm back again today to share with you the completion of my Bloomscape 2023 Crochet Along Squares. Today I completed adding the final crochet border to each of my squares, and I've woven in all of my ends. And this final border is just crocheted with Red Heart Super Saver in the Aran color. And it contrasts with the white. I hope you can see the contrast. But I have been very pleased with how each of my squares have turned out. And all I like doing now is all I need to do is to crochet and join these squares together. So I'm really happy about this. It's been a very fun crochet along. And the crochet along has been sponsored by the Secret Yarnery. And I am not affiliated with her channel. But it has been a very nice crochet along, and it's very simple to follow. So I will leave a link in the description box below to show you where you can go and look up how to do the squares. She has tutorials for each of the squares, and I have enjoyed doing this, and hopefully I'll be back soon to share with you my completed blanket once I join all the squares. But thanks for watching my video, and thanks for all of my returning subscribers and viewers. And if you would like to be reminded when I upload new content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me a lot. But thanks for watching. Bye-bye.